Snails, a common sight in gardens and forests, are fascinating creatures that have been around for millions of years. They belong to the Gastropoda class of mollusks, known for their unique shells. Snails move by secreting a slimy mucus trail, which helps them glide smoothly over surfaces. Their movement is slow, with an average speed of 0.03 miles per hour for the garden snail. This slow pace allows them to enjoy a leisurely life, where they can munch on leaves, algae, and even rotting fruit. Their diet is not just for pleasure, it's essential for their survival. Snails have teeth-like structures called radula, which they use to scrape food off surfaces. But snails are not just garden dwellers. Some live in the ocean, while others burrow in the ground. The giant African land snail, for instance, can grow to be over 12 inches long and is known for its ability to eat a variety of vegetation, even causing damage to crops in some parts of the world. Snails also play a crucial role in ecosystems. They help recycle nutrients, breaking down dead plants and contributing to soil health. In addition, some species of snails are used in medicine, food, and even in cosmetics. For example, snail mucin, a byproduct of snail farming, is used in skincare products due to its moisturizing and rejuvenating properties. Despite their slow pace, snails are fascinating creatures with a significant impact on our world. They may seem simple, but their adaptability and contribution to various ecosystems make them anything but ordinary.